Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about the Venmo payment declined, the reasons and the solutions. Now, why won't my payment go through? The reasons are, if you get a message that your Venmo payment can't be completed right now, there could be a few things happening. First is your bank or card issuer is declining the transactions, like the outside of Venmo, and the payment attempt has triggered one of the Venmo's automated security flags. Now, what should you do if your payment can't be complete? If your Venmo payment is declined, try these troubleshooting suggestions to see if the payment will go through. First is, if you're getting a specific error message when attempting a payment, follow the guidance provided into the message. Depending on the error message, you may need to contact your bank or CAD issuer for more information. Trying adding money to your Venmo balance, and then using the Venmo balance to make the payment, and try using a different bank account or card as your payment method. Learn more about adding a payment method and changing your payment method. If these suggestions don't resolve the issue, try making the payment at a later time. For assistance, you can just simply contact their support team and be sure it includes as much detail as possible in your request. It'll automatically be able to solve your problem. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.